Hello everybody and welcome to an English grammar video by Bildunginteraktiv. The topic of this video is the question when to use a or an and when to use the or the. Now most of you will say this is easy. After all, almost everybody knows that it's a house and an egg. If I put down the pronunciation for you here also, it's the fight and it's the ice cream. And of course, it's an animal and a car. And I'm also sure that most of you can actually tell me the rule here, and rules for that piece of grammar go something like this. A becomes an, and the becomes the in front of vowels. It's an egg, egg starts with an E is a vowel. It's the ice cream starts with an I is a vowel, and it's an animal, and of course, A is a vowel. Now, if things were that easy, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think we would have made that video. Let's have a look at the next combinations. Why is it a euro? E clearly is a vowel. Why is it then an MP3 player? Now, M is definitely not a vowel, it's a consonant. Why do we say the USA? U is a vowel, and why is it the FBI? Oh, come on, please. F is definitely not a vowel, and still it's the FBI. It's an hour. H is a consonant, and it's a European, and again, E is a vowel. Now, why is that so? Now, if you know the answer, once you know the answer, it's actually easy to solve. Don't watch, just listen. The pronunciation is the key, not the spelling. Actually put down the pronunciation for you also now. We have a euro, which when you write it, of course starts with the E, starts with the vowel. But if you have a closer look at the pronunciation, and if you listen to actually how you say the word, you will notice that the first letter that comes out of your mouth when you pronounce the word euro is not a vowel, but it's the Y. And this is the J here is a consonant, and this is why it's a euro. Then we have an MP3 player. Same thing again. Listen to the word when you pronounce it. MP3 player. The first sound that comes out of your mouth is not the M, it's M. It's like the E in front of the M. It's an MP3 player. So when you pronounce the word, it actually starts with a vowel, and this is why it's an MP3 player. You know how it works now. It's the USA. Again, you have the Y here, the J, which is not a vowel, and it's the FBI, and the letter F is pronounced EF. So the first thing that comes out of your mouth when you pronounce FBI is a vowel. It's an hour. And in the word hour, the H that you have in the spelling is completely silent. You don't hear it at all. So this word actually, when you pronounce it, starts with a vowel. So it's an hour. And it's a European, same thing with the euro. And so this problem is already solved. Don't watch, just listen. The pronunciation is the key.